Hey there, I'm Jenny.
And I'm Lauren. Oh,
Casey, you're muted. Hey there, I'm Jenny. I'm Casey.
and I'm Lauren, and we're your Festival Foods Mealtime Mentors.
No. Mama, no, Mama. No.
It's Family Meals Month, and this year we're celebrating family meals in a whole different way. So for us, we try to make it a priority to sit down as a family every single night. So me, my husband Mike, and our son Theo. I'm all about quick and easy meals because we don't have that much time after the workday to get food onto the table. I actually really love involving Theo in cooking. He's about a year and a half year old, and he just loves being in the kitchen. So we have like a little kid-safe knife for him, and he'll stand next to me and chop up foods and taste test, and it's really a lot of fun. So I really enjoy involving him in that whole cooking process.
That's so fun. I love that Theo loves cooking. It's got to make mealtime a lot more fun for everybody. That's for sure. At our house, we have a newborn baby, so between taking care of her and just trying to keep everything somewhat in order, we don't have a lot of time to cook as well. I think everybody can relate to that. So we're cooking things that I can either prep ahead of time when she's napping potentially, or that my husband can prep. We were doing tons of grilling while the weather is still nice, just because it's really quick and easy, and I love all of our grilling recipes for that. But otherwise, using things that are convenient in the store, like salad kits, pre-cooked chicken sausages, things that just don't require very much prep.
I love that, especially even though I don't have any children, I'm still very much about meals that don't need much prep. My family meals are me and my dog Ollie these days, which has been fun, and I've also been using more of the video conferencing systems to still have family meals with friends and family, even if we can't, be physically together. For meals, I've been kind of doing more exploring new recipes because during the year, I can really get stuck in the same thing for dinner every week. So I've been trying to take these opportunities to make some of our new recipes that we have online. Another really cool thing about using our recipes is you can add the ingredients from the recipes right to your list. So whether you're using that list then in store, or if you're gonna go right ahead and place a click and go order, it's super convenient just to be able to make sure you have all the ingredients right there on your list. I know I've been using Click and Go a lot more these days, so I've really appreciated having that feature.
Yeah, Click and Go right now is an absolute lifesaver.
Totally.
So we've shared a lot about what we're doing for family meals these days, but we'd love for you to join us in our celebration of family meals. So each week, for the next 8 weeks, we're gonna be sharing a new recipe along with a grocery list with the ingredients for the recipe.
Yes, and you can enter to win a $50 gift card or Click and Go credit, kind of depending on how you're shopping these days, by just taking our quick and fun quiz at festfoods.com/family. You can find out your virtual meal personality, and I think you might be surprised. And you'll be entered to win the $50 gift card or Click and Go credit.
And then after the quiz, you'll also be notified of another way that you can enter, and it just might involve sharing a photo of a virtual meal with your family or your friends. So we want to see those pictures so we can highlight them on our social channels.
So please join us, and we can't wait to see what you come up with.